And now that we know how to get the best mathematics to get the most volume with the least, next thing is how do we produce the surfaces that will do this in the highest speed in the most economical, effective manner. There's no way in which man can produce material to enclose more rapidly than a great paper-making machine, great rolls. And then paper-making machine, you can also have the printing press, you can print very important mathematical information on it. So that we can make it perfectly possible then, and we now tried out making what are called paperboard domes, where you print this beautiful mathematics on it, and things, you print the folding lines, and the thing folds itself. Therefore, we can now produce on just one paper-making machine 3,000 houses a day. And these houses then coming out printed compact and beautifully distributable in the most economical manner. Paperboard domes come out about 5 cents a square foot, as against running around $2 a square foot for our usual kind of enclosure. They are being made of today of the right craft papers. We have very high wet tensile strength, very high wet compressive strength, and they can last as long as any homes we've ever been familiar with, wooden homes.
To turn these old paper products into new ones, the bales must first stew in a cauldron called the hydropulper. This reduces them from a solid into a slurry.
Fiber's like a string. You'll take that string and make it hairy. And then when it gets hairy, that makes it'll bond together again.
That's what happens here. Rollers compress the wet slurry between two bands of industrial fabric. As this slurry sandwich moves down the line, the rollers squeeze out the water, leaving just the bonded cellulose fibers. These bonds hold together single sheets of paper stretching over an assembly line that's 13.
Machine adheres one liner sheet and then the other. First, the trimmer perforates the boards to create flaps and handles. Rubber sponges cushion the blades so that they cut only the parts they're supposed to. A folding machine now bends them along score lines the corrugator made earlier. It then applies cold glue to the sections that'll join together to form the box.